Swamiji, did you have a good feast at the temple?
Oh, of course. I ate to my stomach's content that I'm unable to move now.
Is it so? Why are you looking so sad? Didn't you get anything to eat today?
No, I ate.
Then why do you stay sad?
No. Actually, it is very difficult to lead life like this. I am very much worried about it.
You forget about it. Let's face it tomorrow. Be happy now.
This has become a practice every day. They come here daily and eat food at my palace. Is it a palace or a choultry? I will put an end to this. I think I have got a nice idea. Yes.
Nobody should sit in the surroundings of this palace. Trespassers will be prosecuted. Severe punishment will be given if you don't follow this rule.
Why such a strict order? What can we do now? And where can we go? And what to do?
Don't worry. We will meet. Our Minister Birbal, my friend. He is the one who will solve a problem immediately.
Yeah. He will go definitely.
The king has passed such an order. We do not have any shelter now. You must help us in this problem.
We expect a good reply from you, Birbal.
Okay. You all leave now. I'll do my best.
Ji Huzur.
Oh, Saint, you should not sit here. Get down from the wall. The king has ordered us not to harm people like you. If the king sees you sitting here, you will be punished severely. So move immediately. Move away.
My friend, let's go. He does not listen to us. Oh Saint, no one can help from being punished by the king today.
Hey, what's happening out there?
Huzur, he does not leave the palace in spite of our several warnings.
Thinking too much of yourself? Don't run. I'm coming there now. Hey, who are you? Who gave you the permission to sit here? This is not a choultry to relax as you want. This royal palace belongs to me.
Okay. Is this your palace?
Yes, this palace belongs to me.
Before you?
It belonged to my father, Humayun the Emperor.
Before him?
It belonged to my grandfather, Babur the Great Emperor.
Before him?
Abraham Lodi of the Lodi dynasty. My grandfather defeated him in a war and captured this palace.
Before you, when so many men have stayed here, King, how can you say that this palace belongs to you?
What are you talking?
King, the whole world itself is like a choultry. We are going to live only for a short period. Why should we fight in that short period? Like this is yours, this is mine. Why should we have such inequalities? Please tell me. When we say I, mine, that doesn't give strength, Your Majesty. But when we say ours, Your Majesty, that gives lot of strength. Without understanding this, you have asked the saints to leave who were in need of shade. Majesty, how far this is true?
My ego is shattered and I am awakened. Who are you? Reveal yourself.
You haven't recognized me, Majesty? I'm your Birbal.
My beloved Birbal, you are brave enough to pinpoint the mistakes of a king. Thank you. Very courageous. I take back my order right now.
Thank you, Majesty. Thanks a lot.
Preschool Video Dictionary. Keep your toddler's mind sharp and active. You can teach your toddlers visually about alphabet, numbers, animals, birds, fruits, vegetables, shapes, colors, months, days of the week, body parts, emotions, family and me, community helpers, sea animals, reptiles, insects, and much, much more. Teach them the basic words with eye-catching animations. Teaching them to spell and identify the words with these videos is very easy and interesting.
My humble regards to great Mughal Emperor Akbar. My esteemed pranams. My name is Abdul Qadir. I am a very common citizen living in your vast empire. My hard-earned money, which I had saved all these years, had been totally robbed by a person. Only you can do justice for me, Your Majesty.
Dear Kadir, first explain your problem clearly so that I can understand.
Your Majesty, last year, my wife and myself went on a holy pilgrimage to Mecca. As I don't have any successors, I kept all my treasures in a small box and I gave it to my friend Muhammad Nazir and I left. Last month, we both returned from our pilgrimage, Majesty. Even after asking several times, Muhammad Nazir never gave me that box. Not only that, he also claims that I haven't given him any box. Now what to do?
This is not fair. Don't worry, Kadir. Don't worry. Your hard-earned money will not leave you. Relax. Your problems will be solved very soon. Guards,
Assalamu alaikum, Huzur.
when the court is assembled tomorrow, Nazir has to be here. It's an order from me.
All right, Huzur.
Thank you, my Majesty. Thanks a lot.
The King of Islams, the Emperor of Mughal Kingdom, Akbar the Great, Shahin Shah King Akbar, the Great Ruler Akbar, enters.
Birbal, inquire into this case and derive at a just decision.
Yes, Your Majesty. Mr. Abdul Qadir, can you exactly tell me on which date you handed over the box to him?
Last year, in the month of Shaban, 10th day.
Do you have any proof for that?
No, Huzur. When I was on my way to Muhammad Nazir's house, I met him in a beautiful garden. There, I gave him the box, Huzur. As it was afternoon, no one was there, Huzur.
You were telling that it was a garden. Was there any tree in that garden?
Yes, Huzur. There was a tall jack tree. We were talking right under it, Huzur.
There, this is a proof, you see. Immediately you go bring the jack tree, telling that, I want to see it. Will you do that?
Huzur, how can a jack tree speak for me?
To reveal the truth, not only a tree, but also the earth will speak for you. Have courage and live. You will definitely get back your thing. It is my word.
As you say, Huzur.
It's been 1 hour since Qadir has left. Still he hasn't returned.
Your Majesty, the garden is on the border of our kingdom. He couldn't have gone even half the way.
Oh, is that so? Okay, all right.
Huzur, I told the tree whatever you asked me to do, but it did not give me any answer, Huzur. The only proof I had is now dumb, Huzur. Huzur, what more can I do?
Don't worry. Even before you have reached, the tree has come and spoke and revealed the truth. Nazir, don't try to hide the truth anymore. Accept your crime.
No. I'm innocent. This old man never gave me any box. He's blaming me without any proof, Huzur.
So you mean to say that you didn't meet him under the tree?
No.
You didn't even talk to him?
No.
Didn't he give you any box on that day?
No.
Then how did you know that the tree was on the border of our empire?
Actually, I don't know.
What? You'll still not accept your crime? There is a saying that you should not show interest on others' things. Have you forgotten that? Answer me. Are you not ashamed of yourself because of showing interest on others' things? Return his box immediately to him, or else you will be punished very severely.
I became very greedy and behaved in this way. I will immediately return the box to him today itself. I was very much worried about my box and my hard-earned money inside it. By God's grace, I got it back with your help. Thanks a lot, Huzur. Thanks a lot.
Aha. How clever you are. What a clear inquiry. And what a clear-cut judgment. I appreciate your intelligence, Birbal.
Birbal, our country's cleverest. Long live. Birbal who brought the truth to light. Long live. Birbal who made the tree also to speak. Long live.
Magic Box presents Preschool Video Dictionary. Keep your toddler's mind sharp and active with these interesting preschool video dictionary videos. These videos will give your child a good vocabulary before facing the world and entering the educational stage in their life. You can teach your toddlers visually about alphabet, numbers, animals, birds, fruits, vegetables, shapes, colors, months, days of the week, body parts, emotions, family and me, community helpers, sea animals, reptiles, insects, and much more. So, share these interesting and informative videos with your little ones and teach them the basic words with eye-catching animations. Teaching them to spell and identify the words with these videos is very easy and interesting. Download now Preschool Video Dictionary from magicbox.co.in. Link in description.
Majesty, my name is Naveen Badukar. I am a jewel merchant. The day before yesterday night, I kept all my money in a leather bag and placed it in the almirah. Yesterday morning, I found it missing, Majesty.
Ya Allah. Then?
There are 4 servants in my house, Majesty. I have a feeling that one of them has stolen it. When I inquired them, they told me that they don't know. If I had to beat them to tell the truth, I may find out the culprit, but other 3 will leave. So please help me to inquire and find the thief without hurting them, Your Majesty.
My friend, it's very difficult to find the truth without punishing anybody. But you want me to do it and find the truth. I will try, but it's difficult. Okay, tomorrow you bring your servants to the assembly and I will try to put an end to this problem.
Your Majesty, good morning. These are my servants.
Here they are. Birbal?
Your Majesty, I will take up this case and solve it by using the knowledge of my magical powers which I have.
Magical powers?
Yes, Your Majesty. Majesty, these sticks have magical powers. Now, I will give one stick to each of them. The stick of the person who stole the money will increase in length by 4 inches by tomorrow morning. I think by doing this, we can find the culprit, Your Majesty.
Seems to be a very good idea. Do as you wish, Birbal.
Take. Each one of you take one stick. Have it beside you while sleeping tonight. Tomorrow morning, bring the stick to the court.
Yes, Huzur.
Are you a magical stick? Will you put me in trouble? How will Birbal know that I am a culprit? He will find me only if you grow 4 inches tomorrow? I will see to it. Now Birbal cannot find me. I have escaped. I have escaped. Escape! Now let's see how I'll get caught.
Give me the sticks which I gave it to you yesterday. You can leave.
Thank you, Huzur.
Show me the stick which I have given to you.
Please take.
You can leave.
Thank you, Huzur.
Show me the stick which I have given to you.
Please.
Can I leave, Huzur?
No, you can't go. Wait. What's your name?
Barkant, Huzur.
Okay, Barkat. Return the merchant's money which you have stolen.
Huzur, what are you telling? I haven't taken any money.
If that is so, then what does this mean?
I can't escape, I think.
Don't try to cheat. Accept your fault.
Birbal, what's happening here? I can't understand the magic in it.
Your Majesty, I have given them just ordinary sticks. They don't possess any magical powers. They are just sticks, Majesty, but this man was afraid that it will grow by 4 inches. So, he broke the stick yesterday. If he hasn't stolen, why should he break the stick? What, Barkat? Do you accept at least now?
Your Majesty, forgive me. I was the one who stolen the money. I will return it today. Kindly forgive me. Please forgive me. I have a family.
Brilliant, Birbal, brilliant. I am at loss of words to praise your brilliance. Shabash, Birbal.
Minister Birbal.
Long live, long live.
Minister Birbal.
Long live, long live. Long live, long live.
Preschool Video Dictionary. Keep your toddler's mind sharp and active. You can teach your toddlers visually about alphabet, numbers, animals, birds, fruits, vegetables, shapes, colors, months, days of the week, body parts, emotions, family and me, community helpers, sea animals, reptiles, insects, and much, much more. Teach them the basic words with eye-catching animations. Teaching them to spell and identify the words with these videos is very easy and interesting.
Do you wish to see load of stories here? Then please subscribe this channel. Along with your friends and family, enjoy all the videos of Magic Box. Magic Box English, a place to learn lot of good things with happiness. Don't forget